fantastic place to get started when you're writing songs is with your idea, what the song's about, what's the meaning behind the song. I've been thinking about this a lot. Recently, I've been reading for the second time this really excellent book by Matthew Dix called Storyworthy. One of the things that Matthew Dix talks about is the fact that the best stories aren't always about the most dramatic things happening. The best stories are the ones that people can connect with and relate to. And something that he talks about is the idea of a 5-second moment. And this is the thing that I think will really be useful for songwriters. A story-worthy moment is a 5-second realization or a change that happens within you. And these happen all the time. Recently, I've wrote a song. The song was basically about me and my other half went on a walk when we were on holiday. We found this really lovely place, and when we sat there, I remember saying to her, maybe we should just take a moment and just really like take in the surroundings and just be very present in that moment. A song that was meant to be about just taking a walk has ended up being about something much deeper. These moments in life that are important and special. You have to pay attention to them. And there's this really interesting thing that I heard John Mayer say once in an interview. Sometimes he will want to write a song that is grand and big and about the universe and about all of life, and he just can't write it. But sometimes he will write a song about something small and as insignificant as a glass of water, and find that the universe just somehow fits inside it. Sometimes the most relatable songs need to be about the smaller things that anyone can relate to. Maybe we should take note of these little 5-second moments, because those are going to end up being songs that have real meaning in them. Hopefully you've liked this video and hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.